Earlier today, OPPO announced the date of the official unveiling of the Reno12 series, May 23rd. And now the company has started teasing the phones and their alleged AI prowess. The Reno12 and Reno12 Pro share their back design. In fact, it's hard, if not impossible, to tell them apart. So, clearly, they're in the same series then. And a very unique design of the back surface. The Reno12 and Reno12 Pro leaks in new real-life image showing off all colors, and this is first hands-on unboxing video. OPPO Reno12. Reno12 and Reno12 Pro, both handsets, are likely to feature 50-megapixel triple rear camera. Reno12 Pro is expected to get a 50-megapixel front camera sensor and a 50-megapixel portrait sensor with 2x optical zoom. OPPO Reno12 Pro is expected to feature a 6.7-inch 120Hz 1.5K resolution and up to 120Hz refresh rate display. The base OPPO Reno12 model has been tipped to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8250 SoC, while the Pro variant is said to carry a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of storage. The phone boots ColorOS 14 out of the box, which is based on Android 14. Reno12 series is equipped with 5000 mAh battery with 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.